Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you everyone for giving positive support and valuable feedback. Thank you all. Let's see today's recipe. Gourd Fry. Let's quickly see the ingredients for it. I have taken half a kg of gourd chopped into small pieces, 2 onions chopped small, 1 tomato chopped into small pieces, few garlic, crushed it, 2 tablespoons of jaggery, it is an optional. I have taken the gourd, added half a teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon of salt and mixed it well. Doing like this reduces the bitterness in the gourd so that even kids can enjoy it. After some time, just squeeze the gourd and try to remove the water from it. Heat a pan, pour 3 tablespoons of oil and put the gourd into it. Fry it in a small portion so that it will take less time to fry it. Just keep mixing so that it cooks fast. Once it turns little brown, take it out. Try to do with the gourd pieces too. It looks like this once all is done. In the same pan, in the oil, put half a tablespoon of Channa Dal, half a spoon of Urad Dal, half a spoon of mustard. Let it fry. Add half a spoon of cumin. Handful of curry leaves. Now add the onion and let it fry. After a few seconds, add 1/4 spoon of turmeric and half a spoon of salt. I'm adding little because we have already added in the gourd. Now add the garlic Add tomato pieces. Now add the beta pieces into it. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Half a spoon of coriander powder. You can add any of your choice, your sambar powder or anything. I'm adding few drops of water so that it won't burn. Adding a jaggery in the last, it's optional. After a few minutes it's ready. Trust me guys, even if you like or don't like the bitter gourd, you try to do this once. I'm sure you'll love it. Even kids will love it. Try it. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you.